Hi, and today's tutorial is about how to enter data into the list in a TI-84 Plus Silver Edition calculator. So the first thing you're going to do is hit Stat, and the first menu is going to be Edit, and the first option highlighted is going to be Edit. Press Enter, and you're going to see all the different lists. List 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. To clear a list, all you need to do is scroll up to L1, hit Clear, Enter. The whole list is cleared. From here, to actually input data into this list, you just have to make sure the slot is highlighted that you want to input data in. Type in your number. It's going to appear here first. So see how it says L1, open parentheses 1, close parentheses. It's saying list 1, slot 1. Data is going to be 55. We're going to hit Enter. So you notice how it's changed to L1 slot 2. You're going to put in your next data point, 88, enter, and just keep doing that until you've put in all your data. Once you have done that, you can do second quit in order to return back to your home screen. Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button below. If you want to keep up to date with all my video postings, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks, and have a blessed day.